Stay safe on the water. Canoe Safety Essentials. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic for outdoor enthusiasts: canoe safety. Canoeing is a wonderful way to explore rivers and lakes, but it's crucial to understand how to do it safely. Let's dive in. Canoe safety involves a set of guidelines and practices that are essential to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience on the water. These include wearing a life jacket, knowing swimming basics, and being aware of weather conditions. Before you hit the water, you'll need a few key items: a life jacket for each person, a whistle to signal for help, a bailing device to remove water from the canoe, extra paddles in case one gets lost. Preparation is key to a safe canoe trip. Here are some steps to follow. Check the weather forecast. Plan your route and make sure it's suitable for your skill level. Inform someone about your trip and expected return time. Proper paddling techniques not only make your trip more enjoyable but also safer. Remember to keep your center of gravity low to prevent capsizing. Use smooth and coordinated paddle strokes. Always face forward and keep an eye on your surroundings. Even with the best preparation, emergencies can happen. Here's what to do if you find yourself in trouble. Stay with your canoe if it capsizes. Blow your whistle in sets of 3 to signal distress. If you're lost, stay where you are to make it easier for rescuers to find you. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of canoe safety. Remember, the key is preparation and staying calm in case of an emergency. Happy paddling, and stay safe out there.